You guys are crazy. What's going on, y'all? Twigs on Two Wheels, back at it again with another one. And today, I got my boy Sam with me. Me and Sam about to ride out to Simi Valley. About to go check out the High Sweet Creamery. See what that's about. Meet up with the homie Sporty. We're gonna ride through some canyons. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
We'll text the group chat, let them know we'll be there at like 11.
Yeah.
We'll get to the Iron Goddess at like 2 o'clock.
Alright, y'all, we all gassed up and ready to roll out. Let's pound some miles.
Oh my God, I'm with a famous YouTuber. We're gonna have such a good time.
Let me show you what this Iron 883 do. Wow!
Stop it. Get some help.
What are you talking about? I'm on second gear. Are you serious? Yeah. Oh shit! You want to do a little pull? Yeah. Let me drop a gear. And lose a clear.
Yeah, I think so.
Respectfully slow. Hey,
Respectfully.
all right.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're supposed to make this left on Slauson. Where's your GPS sending? We need to make this right. Where's your GPS? Wait, do we have the same address in? Because my GPS. Wait, are you taking Google? Are you using Google Maps?
Yeah.
Bro, that shit is bad for your tire, bro.
Well, what I'm doing right now?
Yeah, bro. I'm seeing all that glass and shit you're running over.
Yeah.
What app are you using?
Google. I've been poor all my life, that's why.
Yeah. Hey, you too? I'm not the only one?
Yeah, dude.
It's a little boy bike. I don't like this bike no more. Alright, y'all. About to get on the 101 North in about 1.6 miles. And then from there, we're about to smash. Apex Audio. Hey, can we catch it? No, we're not getting on that freeway, are we?
Yeah, we are.
We can't catch up to him, can we?
Cool. Is that guy?
Yeah, could we?
Yeah.
Possibly?
I'm being an ass. You could try.
Fuck you. Gonna go east or west? What did it say?
We're gonna go.
We're going west. Let's just hop in a carpool at 85. 3, 2, 1, go!
You're going?
It's up the hill though. It's up the hill. Up the hill. Slow it down. Let's wait till we get down the hill. So let's have a fair chance.
Brother.
That shit's bad. Hey, I see your shit wobbles at 80 though.
Yeah. Like right now, it's gonna start walking.
Yeah. My shit don't do that unless it's at like 95 or 100. Alright, down the hill. Let's go. I'm able to whip this corner at 100. I'm whipping this corner at 100. All right, y'all. We're about 1 minute away from the High Sweet Creamery. About to link up with the homie Sporty. Sam jamming right now. Praising the Lord at ungodly speeds.
Yeah, I like riding a Harley Davidson because it makes me feel like a bad boy.
Alright, y'all. You ready? You ready? About to get this shit.
This beat is sick. I'm a disco stick.
Woo, the Harley, baby. She sounds so good.
This is taking it slow to you guys?
Yeah, I'm just doing like 170 on this thing.
Hey, bruh. Dude, what the fuck? You guys are crazy.
This 40 has 100 horsepower. That thing will top out at 147.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We're almost at that 30,000 mark on my bike.
I'm at 32,500.
I got 62 more miles. All right. Let's actually let them get ahead a little bit so we can enjoy it. Oh yeah, back to it.
Y'all done fucked up. Y'all let me lead. Y'all let me take the lead. I'm finna lead y'all niggas. Woo!
Fly like a nigga.
We're gonna make this right here. All right, you guys, we're back here at the High Sweets Creamery.
All right, man. All right, you guys. So, Sporty's about to blast. We're about to part ways with Sporty. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for riding, bro. It was a pleasure meeting you. Also, I'm about to part ways. Ride safe, man.
Merry Christmas.
Morning, you guys. All right, so next week we're riding out to the middle of the desert, to this strange place called Bombay Beach, right off the edge of the Salton Sea. Abandoned, off-grid, just one of those places that doesn't even feel real. Honestly, I don't know what to expect. I don't even know if it's worth the ride, but hey, I'm going anyway. So make sure you turn your post notifications on. You don't want to miss this one.